See how on the tin it says 3 and then 4? This went to 3. And then this one went to 4. And you can see on the edge here, see there's a little cutout there. See that little cutout right back there? Yeah. That cutout. This goes into that cutout. Right, like so. And it doesn't move. I'm going to go to that side and do the same thing with 1 and 2. Now these, I'm going to go to that side and do the same thing with 1 and 2. Now these spark plug wires are longer that go over to there, and shorter going over to here. It's easy to figure out, but one less thing about which to think.